Hey guys, I'm making lasagna for dinner. Not just any lasagna in my mind. This is bear lasagna, so I'm using bear meat that I hunted and ground up myself. But I want to focus not on the meat side of it, but on the sauce side of it in terms of all the ingredients that'll go in with the bear meat. My focus is to get as much greens and herbs out of the garden and the grow house as possible. So on top of onions and garlic we've grown, and chard and kale that are all frying up in this pan, getting the texture right so kids will just like zoom down it and love it. I'll take all those sauteed veg and just give them a quick spin in the blender. And the one thing that you might not have done before, if you haven't, I just want to show this to you. So here's a stalk of oregano, and the flavor is all in the leaves, right? So if it was growing connected to the plant here, all I'm doing is grabbing it and running my fingers down. Do you see that? All the leaves come out. If you go the other way, it's not so easy generally, but if you go against the way it was growing, all the leaves come off and they just go right in that greens that you're gonna blend to add to the meat that's already been browned. So enjoy doing wonderful things with your greens.